Hello Sparkle Kitties! Today we are going to learn about water cycle to understand where rain comes from and where it goes. Kindly like, comment and subscribe to our channel at Sparkle Kitties. Let's go meet Drippy.
Hello! I am Drippy the water droplet and I love to explore. Time to go on an adventure through the water cycle to learn about it. Let's go! Water is always moving, changing forms, and going on a cycle around the world. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from? Or where water goes after it falls?
The sun heats up water in places like oceans, lakes, or puddles, turning it into vapor. Drippy feels warm and floats up into the sky as a gas, saying,
"Wow, I'm so light now." The sun gives me energy to rise up and become invisible water vapor.
Now friends at home, can you blow air upwards like you are helping Drippy rise up? Can you name a place where water might evaporate or rise up? This rise of water to form vapor is called evaporation. As Drippy rises, the air gets cooler, and water vapor turns back into tiny water droplets. This is called condensation. Drippy meets other droplets and forms a fluffy cloud.
I'm sticking with my friends to make a cloud.
Clouds are made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals, depending on how cold it is. When clouds get too heavy with water, the droplets fall back to the ground as precipitation, that is rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Drippy says,
"I'm ready to fall,"
as they turn into a raindrop, snowflake, ice pellet, or hailstone, depending on the weather. Which is your favorite precipitation? Is it rain, snow, sleet, or hail? Collection is when water that falls from the sky, as rain, snow, etc., gathers in different places like rivers, lakes, oceans, or even underground after falling.
I'm back in the water, ready for another adventure. I'll keep going round and round in the water cycle. I go from evaporation to condensation to precipitation to collection and back to evaporation, and the water cycle repeats again and again and never stops.
Now let's recap what we have learned about water cycle with a song.
Up I go with the sun's warm glow, into a cloud where cool winds blow. Down I fall, big or small, back to the water. I love it all. Collection. Up I go with the sun's warm glow, evaporation into a cloud where cool winds blow. Condensation, down I fall, big or small, precipitation, back to the water. I love it all. Collection.